second time I'm making this video, and I got a video call from my mom, and it stopped the video in the middle, and I have no patience to do another video. So, but I wanted to show you guys anyway what came out of the kiln. So it's a glaze kiln today, and let's do it again. This Liat made, which is beautiful, and she made this, which is also beautiful. It's for utensils. Okay, and soap dish. It's the same glaze, yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yep.
Yeah. This I made, and I fell in love with this idea of black clay and this dotted glaze, and I think this is what I'm going to do
For the
rest of my life.
Your life.
Something happened with this. It has glaze on it.
It has no glaze on it.
We're arguing. We had this
It has
argument.
no glaze.
It
I can
does.
feel it. It has no glaze on it.
No, this has no glaze. You can tell the difference. Here, touch this and touch that. There's a difference.
It's a bit smoother.
It's a bit
so
smoother.
Maybe
So-
the glaze was 90% water and
Cucumba. Have you ever
Yes.
some cucumba? 95% water. Anyway, this I hope they're not going to break their cups again. It's the second time I'm making this. This is for Adi. It's from our scuba club. And this is for Sasha, that he broke the handle as well. And sometimes I think that they break it because or maybe they don't break it. They just take it home. I don't know. But I like doing it for them, so it doesn't make a difference. Anyway, this Kira made.
nice.
And I gotta tell you, it turned out pink, but it was supposed to be purple, and I don't know. That's beautiful. That Ronit made it. It's a bell.
Very, very nice. Yeah.
Beautiful. I made it. Keren Or. It says Keren. Can you see it? Keren Or.
Yes. A ray of light.
A ray of light, because she helped us. She deserved it. She helped us with our son. And, okay, a butterfly from some... Oh, it's actually black. It's not recycled. Okay. So, that's nice. Sometimes I get bored, so I do things like that, and that too. This is recycled. It's nice. This, I have no idea what am I supposed to do with it and why. Well, I know why it came out like that. It's also recycled. Leftover.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah, because there's a reflection. Okay, now I can see. Yeah.
Okay. It's
Special,
nice.
yeah. Like a marble.
Marble.
Like a marble.
This didn't turn out nice. The bottom part did.
Yeah.
I should have put clear glaze, so I think I think I'm gonna get rid of this glazing. I don't like it. Anyway, this is nice. Planter.
Yeah. Yeah.
My mom will have it.
Wow.
It's also it's recycled.
Very nice.
Yeah. And this. Whoa. It's a big one.
Wow.
It's a big planter, and I hope it's gonna fit my mom. I keep making planters for my mom, and it's never big enough. She has this one plant that it's very big, and I'm like, is that big? Is that big enough? Is that big enough? So I decided to make a huge one, and I'm actually very proud of it because, wow, it took a lot of effort to put this thing on the wheel. So, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.